Welcome to Ritz Creativity channel. I'm sure you must be enjoying all the videos that I am making for you and putting on my channel. Now continuing with that, I'm today going to make this beautiful 3D decoration wall hanging. Very simple to make. All you need is paper and A4 size different colored sheets, and with that it's very simple to make. So let's learn how to make this 3D wall hanging decoration piece for your room. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.